We all evolve with time, search ways to do new things every day. So, how can we back out when it comes to our weddings? Every other wedding is starting a new trend and making weddings beautiful. Nakshatra Weddings Wedding Sutra is here with 15 latest trends that are very famous in weddings. So, let's get started. Pre and post wedding shoots. Pre and post wedding shoots have been a trend for a very long time now. But nowadays, couples have taken this trend to the next level. Couples are now doing pre and post wedding shoots in exotic locations and various cities and are not thinking twice even if that location is far away from the place they are currently living in. And we've also seen couples who have done pre wedding shoots in different countries like Maldives and Bali. It has not only become a trend but also a necessity. Eco-friendly weddings. The second in our list is eco-friendly weddings. This is not just a trend but also a very beautiful initiative by the families. Less use of plastic bags, less wastage of food, and using biodegradable decoration products is followed in this eco-friendly wedding. It's great to see that even in such an important and intimate occasion like marriage, people are still concerned about the environment. Minimum jewelry. In earlier days, bride used to be showered with jewelry, mang tika, neti chutti, and a lot more. But nowadays the traditions have changed. A lot of brides are opting for minimum jewelry in their wedding. They're just wearing one necklace and earring and look exceptional in their minimum jewelry look. This trend has really brought a change in the mindset of people, showing simplicity is beautiful. The bride entry. This is the most well-deserved trend that has started in recent times. Brides are no longer happy by just walking down the aisle with a sweet and innocent face. Walking down the aisle is a memorable moment, and brides are demanding to make the moment even more memorable with a special bride entry. Destination weddings outside India. Nowadays, not only pre-wedding shoots, but the whole wedding is planned outside India. From Deepika and Ranveer getting married in Lake Como, Italy, to Anushka and Virat getting married in Tuscany. Marriage outside India is slowly becoming the latest trend in Indian weddings and is becoming really popular. The food stylist. Yes, you heard it right. The food stylist. You must have seen the stylist for hair or clothes, but nowadays Indian families are hiring a food stylist that works with caterers to style the food and make it look presentable, and also work on fusion cuisine with unique names. Even the beverages are personalized according to the guest's taste. A wedding website. Wedding websites are fast-growing trends in Indian weddings. A full-fledged website where all the information about the wedding is present is definitely a unique and innovative concept of Indian weddings. A wedding website makes it easy to provide all information to the guests, and also the website will stay on the internet for lifelong and keep the memories of the newlyweds alive for ages. Candid photography. Photography has become an important part in weddings, but the latest trend that has become really famous for a few years now is candid photos and videos. Nobody wants to pose for photos anymore. All are looking for capturing memorable moments candid. All photographers are adopting this trend and coming up with different ideas to make these photos more beautiful. And for social media, a little cinematic highlights are also added in the photos. Home wedding. How can we forget this latest trend? After COVID-19 situation, home weddings have become really famous and trending massively. It is also famous among people who are looking for small and low budget weddings. And what is better than getting married in the place you have spent your whole childhood in? Inviting celebrities. Nothing can be more memorable than a celebrity giving us blessing on our wedding. Inviting celebrities and making them a part of our memories is definitely a trend that is on the top of our list. This trend was followed at the highest scale by the Ambani family, who invited almost half of the Bollywood during his daughter's wedding. Wedding couples hashtag. Social media is not just an app anymore. It has become a requirement and definitely a trendsetter. The latest trend that has taken over the wedding season is the couple hashtag. Would-be couples are creating their own hashtags for weddings. All the guests of the weddings are tagging them with that particular hashtag, making that particular hashtag really famous. A wedding flash mob. Well, it's definitely going to be quite a surprise if suddenly people start dancing around you on your wedding at your favorite song. That small smile is worth millions. Wedding flash mobs have become the latest trend in Indian weddings, where the family members and guests surprise the bride and groom by a song number on their Sangeet or their wedding day. Bridal shower photoshoot. Wedding is great, but it's not complete without friends and some fun, especially for the bride. Bridal shower photoshoots are the most trending topic nowadays. Brides and her friends have massive fun getting clicked with fun, entertaining, emotional moments with the bride. We can never miss a chance to pamper the bride, can we? Gift registry. Another modern trend along with virtual weddings is gift registry. The satisfaction of giving a gift that was actually needed by the couple cannot be described in words. Gift registry helps you do exactly that. Couples choose their favorite gifts in a gift registry, and relatives and friends can go and give them anything from that list. The trend is slowly capturing hearts of people. Bollywood inspired weddings. The last on our list is Bollywood inspired weddings. Who doesn't want to dress up like a movie heroine and walk down the aisle like a diva? Or mix and match colors like Bollywood celebrities, or dance on a Bollywood number on their Sangeet? Not only in North, but in Bollywood themed weddings have also become a trend in South India. And it's totally right, because you get married only once, and that one time should be enjoyment overloaded. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you know any more trends, then let me know in the comment section. Also, we would like to remind you that we've organized a video jogging contest for young YouTubers with a winning prize of 25,000 worth products. All details are in a separate video of ours, link in the description. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next week. Bye bye.